Hello everyone, this is Mohammed once again, and in this video I am going to solve the weekly challenge 118 task 1, which is binary palindrome. Before I solve this task, I want to show you something. In one of the video where I was trying to solve the task 1 of week 114, Dave Cross commented on about my solution, and he mentioned that I should not be calling split in my answer because that's not needed, and that's what he said. So let's see. I want to improve my solution based on what Dave Cross suggested to me. So I am going to change my solution for week 114 task 1. Let's go back to this one. So this is from my previous video, so let's clean up. I'm going to just pull this, delete this file. So let's have a clean slate. I don't need any input file from my previous video. So it's a clean slate. Now go back to this is the checkout copy of Perl Weekly Challenge Dash Club repository. So I'm going to go to challenge number 114 into my Mohammed Anwar folder for task. So this is my proposed solution. So what do I have? So what Dave Cross was suggesting that this split is not needed, and what he was saying, when I do reverse $n in the scalar context, it does exactly what I was expecting. So what I thought before was, if I have to, given the whatever number is given, I have to split each individual digit and then reverse it, which he thinks is not needed. So it should be one less operation to solve. So let's see if this still get the expected answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these split functions. I'll just keep it. So $n equal reverse $n. So let's see if we get the same result. So what I'm going to do is I'm just using the default input, which is 1 2 3 4, and I'm expecting the result output is 1331, which is 1331. And just to prove the point that nothing else has changed, if I do git diff, and according to the git diff, it says the only thing changed is I remove the split / comma. So that was a good suggestion. Thank you, Dave Cross. So I can safely commit my changes. So git add do and just commit it. Git commit and say applied suggestion by Dave Cross to task 1 of 114. Then just push the changes. So that's that. I have been thinking of doing this next couple of weeks. So that's it's done. So let's go back to my original task that I was thinking of doing it. So go to my window here, and before I go, I need to check the task. So what's the one task? If I go to week 118, this is week 118, and what's task 1? So task 1 is, you are given a positive integer, which is $n. Write a script to find out if the binary representation of the given integer is palindrome. Palindrome means if you read in both directions, still the same number, and print 1 if it is otherwise 0. So for example, if the positive number given is 5 and we know the binary representation is 101, which if you read in this way is still 1, and if you read from left to right, right to left, it's still the same. Similarly, another example, it says if the number is 4, so binary representation is 100, which is not a palindrome, unfortunately, so I'm expecting an output 0. Okay, so should be easy enough. Okay, so let's go back to my playground, which is this, and I'm gonna just do standard task 1, so it's gonna be ch-1.pl, and I'm doing user bin Perl, use strict, use warnings. Now in this task I'm expecting an integer, so let's take it $n, which is GB-0. Shall I do any parameter validation? It's too basic, not too complicated. So first thing, missing number, missing the input number. Yeah. And let's define $n. Anything else? Maybe I can check the number is not negative. So let's do invalid number, $n if $n is less than 0. So I'm expecting a positive number. Okay, that's enough. So what are we doing? So first we need to find out the binary representation of this given numbers, and so let's call it my $binary is, I'm using my good old friend sprintf. %b gives me the binary of the input, so this gives me the binary representation of $n. The only thing left now is to check if this binary reverse of this binary is same as $binary. So again, I'm using a sprintf to do it. So %d/n. So what I'm passing on is go check the condition. So I'm going to say $binary is same as reverse. I'm not doing any split this time. And you know why I did that before solving this question? So that's the reason. So reverse of $binary, sorry. And I am doing equals. And that should be it. Save it and now run it. So what I'm doing is this 5 should give me 1, and second example 4 should give me 0. So it's basically a one-liner without any validation or something. So that is task 1 of week 118. Thank you for watching this video, and you must be noticing that it's 3:43 in the morning UK time, and I'm making this video. I'm not mad, but this is the only time I can make video, and I used to do late nights regularly before, not anymore. I only do late nights when I have to make a video, because during the daytime it's not possible. So that's the reason I'm awake and I'm making this video 3:44 a.m. UK time. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you have any comment, please share your suggestions and share this video with your friend. Thank you for watching. Bye.